I already want to pre-order the Motorola Razr Plus. Like, I automatically want to pre-order it right now. The fact I have to wait is kind of bullcrap. Now, on the real note, though, guys, we got another teaser clip of the Motorola Razr Plus. And listen, Motorola has been absolutely killing it when it comes to this market. Not only do they make a cheap, more affordable variant of the Motorola flippable actual phone, they also really absolutely kill it with both iterations. One having 144 hertz display. Like, it's beautiful. So, this new clip, as it says from this article here from 9to5 Google, it shows a telephoto camera and better water resistance. So let's watch this real fast. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, nope. That is a lot of copyrighted music, and I'm not trying to get that. All right, so it's our first look. So it's not full on outside display. Like, the full outside shell is not a display. There is still a little bit of a bezel. Isn't really that big of a deal at the end of the day. But that's still technically a thing here, is the outside bezel. So, okay. It is what it is. You got the dual telephoto. You got the dual lenses here. One is a telephoto. Okay. That looks so gorgeous. You got what looks like we have a... Is this a new OS on the outside? Because this looks like really customized more than we saw with the last iteration. I know obviously you can get stuff like cover screen OS and stuff like that that makes it, you know, even more advanced. But yeah. So, alright, so we got that. Looks like we got some video on the outside, video on the inside. Water resistance, underwater protection. Yeah, that's a huge W. That's an absolute huge W here. So better water resistance. We talked about the telephoto lens. That hinge looks beautiful. It's the little things that makes it so gorgeous here. So again, looking at the outside here, I believe this is bigger than the last iteration when it comes to the outside display. It's not the biggest in the world, but it's still very, very nice. So we have this now. Inside, yeah, we have the AI-powered telephoto zoom. Nice. I cannot wait to pre-order this. I want this phone today. This phone is beautiful. Again, Motorola just hits it out the park when it comes to these cell phones. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I mean, again, everything I wanted, they delivered yet again and again and again. So, shout out to Motorola for absolutely hitting it out the park. Damn. I mean, like, I don't usually cuss on this channel, but damn. This phone is gorgeous. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Yeah, I need this phone, like, tomorrow. I know June 25th is the whole day that it actually gets, like, posted and stuff. Or talked about, but still, that's gorgeous. Peace out, guys.